Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class. Today date is 16 December 2020 and I am teaching you chapter number 20 and name of the chapter is Unity in Diversity. So student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in our previous video. So student, in the previous video I have explained you that our country India is the 7th largest country in the world. It means the position of our country in the world is 7th. So after getting the freedom, the whole country is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. Okay, now how such a big country there is lot of diversity in the, because people belonging to different religions are living in our country, that is India. So there are lot of difference. Many language are speak in different parts of the country. Even the culture of the people, if you visit to different state, you will see lot of difference in the culture of the people also. So you are surprised to see that there is lot of diversity in our country. Even we all are united, and how the whole country bind together. So the whole country bind together due to our national symbols, and when we see these symbols we know that they represent our country India, and these symbols are the national flag, the national anthem and the national emblem. These are our main symbols. Okay student, and after that the three symbols: national flag, then national anthem and national emblem and national emblem. Now after that student, the topic which I covered in my previous video, that is national flag, that is national flag. So we talk about the national flag of our country. So I do little recapitulation of this topic also. When you see the shape, when you see the shape of our flag, then the shape of our flag is rectangular. Which shape of our flag? That is rectangular. Rectangular shape. The shape of our flag is rectangular, and in Hindi we also say Tiranga. And how many colors are there in our national flag? That is tricolors. And in Hindi we also say Tiranga to our national flag. And the ratio of this national flag, that is 3:2. 3 is the length and 2 is the height. 3 is the length of the flag and 2 is the height of the flag. Now student, you will see the three colors. The first color, the first band of our national flag is of saffron color. First band is of a saffron. First band is of a saffron color, and this color stands for sacrifice. It means even many people have given up their life for the country. Or in Hindi you can say that बलिदान देना, अपने प्राणों का बलिदान दे देना अपने देश के लिए. Okay, and in Hindi this saffron color we also say as a, what we say, kesariya. Even there is a very good song on this color. So in Hindi we say, student, saffron color in Hindi it is known as kesariya. After that, the color which is in the middle, or you can say middle color, that color is white. White color, and this white color stands for peace. शांति का प्रतीक है. Okay, because Mahatma Gandhi, due to the efforts of Mahatma Gandhi, our country get the freedom from the British rule on 15th August 1947, and he always follow the path of non-violence. So the middle band color is white, and the last band, that is of which color? Green. Last band, that is of which color? That is green. And green color stands for prosperity. It means खुशहाली का प्रतीक है. Which color? Green. So these are the things which we already discussed in the previous video, and after that, student, we also discuss some of the rules which we have to follow for our national flag, because it is our duty to respect, honor and take care of our national flag. This is our duty to respect, honor and take care of our national flag. So some of the duties which we have discussed, that are, there are some of the rules when we host the national flag. host मतलब झंडा फहराने को बोलते हैं. जैसे आप लोग देखते होंगे 26 जनवरी में रिपब्लिक डे. In all part of the country this festival is celebrated and this is also known as the national festival. 15th August Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti. So student, these national festival bind the people of India together. Whenever we see these national symbols, then these symbol stands for our country India, and due to this there is lot of diversity in our country. Even you will see people, all the people, whether belonging to different religion or regions, they all stand together for their country. That is, our country name is India. So when we so student, when we host the national flag, so at that time the saffron band has to be on the top and green band at the bottom. So this is the first rule. Whenever you host the national flag, the band which is on the top, because I just explained you that there are 3 color bands. So the saffron color band is on the top and on the bottom you will see green color band, and then in the white middle band is of a white color. Okay, and in this middle band you also see a navy blue wheel. On this middle band which is of a white color and it stands for peace, in this band you will also see a navy blue wheel. So what is this? This is the Ashoka. This wheel has been taken from the Ashoka Chakra. ठीक है. Now no other flag, another rule which we have to follow when we host our national flag, no other flag can be placed over and above our national flag. आप नेशनल फ्लैग के ऊपर किसी फ्लैग को नहीं रख सकते हो, और नेशनल फ्लैग अगर होस्ट है तो उस फ्लैग से ऊपर कोई और फ्लैग नहीं हो सकता. Is it clear? So the flag has to be brought down, and when we brought down the flag at the time of sunset, when we brought down the flag at the time of sunset, fold it and put away properly. Okay, when we take out the flag or brought down the flag at the time of a sunset, so we fold the flag and put away properly. So these are the things which we have, or which I teach you in the previous video. Now student, national anthem. So student, when we are talking about, see, every country has their own national anthem. जितनी भी कंट्रीज होती हैं, आपने कभी गेम्स देखी हैं? अगर नहीं देखी होंगी तो कभी आप देखिएगा, जब ओलंपिक्स होता है, गेम्स होती है, सो एट द टाइम व्हेन द प्लेयर्स स्टैंड्स टुगेदर, तो आप देखोगे जिस कंट्री के प्लेयर हैं उस कंट्री की नेशनल एंथम बजाई जाती है, प्ले करते हैं उस सॉन्ग को. सो इन द सेम मैनर our country India also have national anthem, and starting word of our national anthem is Jan Gan Man. Okay, starting word of our national anthem is Jan Gan Man. And who was the person who have written our national anthem? So the national anthem was written by Rabindranath Tagore. So our national anthem, that is Jan Gan Man, it was written by Rabindranath Tagore. National anthem is national anthem was written, national anthem was written by Rabindranath Tagore. So our national anthem was written by Rabindranath Tagore. Now see student, the song had 5 stanzas, but the first one was chosen to our national anthem. Stanzas आपने इसमें देखे होंगे, इंग्लिश पोइम्स में भी होते हैं और हिंदी की कविताओं में भी होते हैं. पोइम्स और कविताओं में आप लोग देखते होंगे, मे बी इट इज ऑफ 4-5 स्टेंजास. सो इन द सेम मैनर हिंदी कविताओं में भी पोइम्स ऐसे ही लिखी जाती हैं. ठीक है. सो द सॉन्ग हैड 5 स्टेंजास, बट द फर्स्ट वन वाज चूज टू बी आवर नेशनल एंथम. ठीक है. सॉन्ग में 5 स्टेंजास हैं, पर जो फर्स्ट वन है उसी को हमने चुना, जैसे जहां से हम स्टार्ट करते हैं, जन गण मन. इज इट क्लियर? एंड दिस नेशनल एंथम, ये मैंने आपको बिगनिंग में ही बताया था, हाउ द पीपल बाइंड टुगेदर, दे आर ऑलवेज रेडी टू स्टैंड फॉर देयर कंट्री, एंड ड्यू टू दिस नेशनल सिंबल्स, नेशनल एंथम एंड नेशनल एम्बलम, ड्यू टू दिस, because whenever they see these symbols, so the people respect them, because these national symbol, anthem or national emblem, this stands for our country, that is India. Okay, now see student, so national anthem is also symbol of unity. The anthem is also a symbol of unity. Now we sing it on important occasions like Independence Day. As a mark of respect, we must stand at attention whenever the anthem is being sung. So it is given in the book that on special occasions like Republic Day, Independence Day, on this special occasion we sing our national anthem. But as a student life, आप बेटा डेली स्कूल में आते हो, डेली देयर इज अ मॉर्निंग असेंबली, एंड इन द मॉर्निंग असेंबली फर्स्टली आफ्टर द morning assembly, morning prayer is also there. We also sing our national song Vande Mataram daily in our morning assembly, and daily we are singing our national anthem also, that is Jan Gan Man. Okay, so and this thing is followed in all the school in different parts of the country, क्योंकि ये चीजें ऐसी हैं जो हमें आपस में बाइंड कर रही हैं, जोड़ रही हैं, यूनिटी हमारी मेंटेन की हुई है. सो स्टूडेंट इन आवर कंट्री, इन एवरी पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री, इन ऑल द स्कूल्स वी फॉलो दिस थिंग, क्योंकि जब स्टूडेंट अवेयर होंगे ये सब चीजों से कि ये नेशनल एंथम, नेशनल सॉन्ग, नेशनल एंथम, ये सब क्या है, these things stands for our country. So in the student life or in the school life, you will see that every day whenever we are present in the school, on all the working day of the school, we are singing our national song also and national anthem also, so that the new generation respect and love their country, and they understand the values of these symbols in their life. ठीक है भाई, स्कूल लेवल में ही ना बच्चे ये सब चीजें जब रोज करते हैं तो उनके अंदर खुद से ये आता है. कभी भी देखो नेशनल एंथम होती रहती है, इफ समवन इज वॉकिंग, कोई वॉक भी करता है तो सब अटेंशन पोजीशन में खड़े हो जाते हैं, बिकॉज व्हेन एवर वी सिंग आवर नेशनल सॉन्ग वी स्टैंड इन अटेंशन पोजीशन, नो बॉडी मूवमेंट एट दैट टाइम. सो व्हेन वी प्रैक्टिस दिस थिंग्स, वो भी स्कूल टाइम में डेली, then only these types of values, we learn these types of values at the school time. So आप कभी भी देख लो बेटा, आपने स्कूल छोड़ भी दिया होगा या किसी ने भी, आप कभी भी सुनोगे, चाहे वो सिविलियन हो, कोई भी पर्सन हो इंडिया का, अगर वहां बाई चांस नेशनल एंथम हो रही है तो नो वन टॉक विद ईच अदर. क्यों? ये एक we stand straight, attention position, and we start singing the national anthem of our country, क्योंकि हमारे अंदर खुद से ये वैल्यूज आ गई हैं कि अगर हम ऐसा नहीं करते हैं तो इसका मतलब we don't have any respect, any love for our country. We are Indians. So that is the reason these symbols are very important. So whenever we, जो मैंने अभी जस्ट आप लोग को बताया, whenever we sing national anthem, we must stand at attention whenever the anthem is being sung. So we must we must stand, we must stand at attention, attention whenever, whenever the anthem, whenever the anthem is being sung. ठीक है. So whenever we sung the national anthem, we stand in attention position. So small recapitulation थोड़ा सा कर लेते हैं. These national anthem. So starting line of the national anthem is Jan Gan Man, and our national anthem was written by the Rabindranath Tagore. The anthem is also a symbol of unity. So, and whenever we sing our national anthem, the position in which we stand is attention. Okay. Now come to page number 109. See student, now national emblem. So when you look at a rupee, what do you notice? Okay, whenever you see the currency, student, whenever you see the currency of our country, so what you observe? The symbol with lions. See, this is a 100 rupees note, and here you see this symbol. See, you are able to see 3 lines and one is behind. Okay, you take this currency note from your parents and see this symbol in the currency of India, and after that return back money to your parents. Is it clear? Don't take the money, return it back. After observing the symbol of our country on the currency note, you return the money to your parent, and the same symbol you will see in the coins also. So student, the symbol with lines, well, this is our national emblem. बहुत बच्चों को कंफ्यूजन होती है नेशनल एम्बलम होता क्या है. सो दिस सिंबल ऑफ लायंस, 3 आर विजिबल एंड 1 इज बिहाइंड. ओके, सो थैंक यू स्टूडेंट.